In this video, you will learn how to use Cypnest for offline nesting. You will see how to adjust the lead-ins, lead position, sequencing, microjoints, and cut-up features for your parts. You can edit these features before or after nesting your parts on the sheet. To edit and apply these properties in the part, you go to the left and find the part list, right-click on a part, and click Edit Parts. This will bring up another window where you can apply and edit the properties. First, you need to mark the inner and outer contours of your part. Select all the inner features and click the inner button at the top. Then select the outer contour and click the outer button. Next, you can set the lead-in properties for your part or a specific feature. Select what you want to edit and click the lead button at the top. You can change the lead-in length and type, such as arc or line. You can also apply these settings to inner or outer contours by checking the boxes at the bottom. When you set the lead-in length, make sure it is smaller than the hole or feature size and the part gap in the nest. You can measure the features by clicking Measure and selecting 2 points. If the lead-in length is too long, it will cut into the part. You can fix this by selecting the feature and reducing the lead-in length. To add microjoints, click the Microjoint button at the top. A window will pop up where you can change the microjoint properties. It is recommended to keep the start point at microjoint and the Add Lead-in at microjoint options checked. The length option under the params section will change the microjoint thickness. After you choose the properties, click OK and then click on the feature where you want to add a microjoint. To delete a microjoint, click the Delete button at the top, select Delete Single Microjoint from the menu, and click on the microjoint you want to remove. Another option is to use the Cut-Up feature of Cypnest. This is useful when you have an inner cutout that might cause tip-ups and you don't want to use a microjoint. The Cut-Up feature will split the cutout into smaller pieces that can fall through the slats and avoid head crashes. However, this will increase the processing time. To use this feature, select the cutout and click the Cut-Up button. A dialog box will appear where you can choose the style and size of the cut-up. To delete the cut-up feature, select the cutout and change the values to 0. The last thing we will cover is the sequencing order and lead position. This is important for avoiding head crashes and optimizing processing time. The general rule is to make the lead position as close as possible to the next feature to be cut. This way, the laser head will not cross over a cut feature and will move faster from one feature to another. To change the sequencing, click the Sort button and select In Part Sorting to change the order within each part. Click on a part and then click the Start Sorting button. The order you click on the features will determine the order they are cut. The lead position will also depend on where you click on the features. After you have optimized the order within each part, you can change the order of the parts by selecting By Part Sort from the Sort menu. Now you will want to change the lead start position on the outer contour by selecting the Lead Position button and marking the appropriate lead position for each outer contour for each part.